Arochukwu is located 80 kilometers from Umuahia, the capital city of Abia State, and 100 kilometers from Abia, the commercial city of Abia State. The population of Arochukwu town is projected to be around 80,000, according to both written and oral history. Back then, in the kingdom of Arochukwu, Abia, also known as Long Juju Shrine, during the slave trade era, was the most powerful deity in Igbo land. The people of Arochukwu are very proud people and very free-spirited. There are several historic tourist sites that exist in Arochukwu. Among many of them are the mystic Ibinukpabi Shrine, the slave route, and other relics of the slave. If you are a tourist visiting Arochukwu and want to have a date with nature, the Arochukwu waterfall is one of the most relaxing places in Arochukwu that one can visit and enjoy the beauty of nature. The most prominent festival celebrated in Igbo land is the New Yam Festival. In Arochukwu, it is known as Ikejiaro. The festival takes place around the month of September and is marked with different interesting activities from various villages that make up Arochukwu town. Ikejiaro is the most popular festival in Abia state and one of the most prominent festivals in Igbo land. If you're a lover of cultural tourism, this is the festival you can't afford to miss.